Guys, in order to crack GATE exam, test series plays a very vital role in enhancing your rank because it provides you with a whole lot of questions to practice and it gives you an exam type environment. So guys, today I am going to tell you that how you can buy these test series which are of immense use for cracking GATE exam at minimum cost. So guys, let's get started. Guys, do subscribe the GATE Hunt and press the bell icon to receive notifications on latest jobs updates, GATE talks and video lectures on GATE and IES. So guys, in order to avail maximum discount on test series related to any competitive exam, you need to go to this website whose link I have also given in the description. So the website is buytestseries.com. Guys, in this website, as you can see here, you just need to register, and as soon as you register using either your Facebook account or your Google account, you get a rupees 250 cash in your Buy Test Series wallet. Moreover, you can use this coupon which is caps lock DIS10 to avail 10% discount on buying any test series. So guys, let me show you that what all test series are available on this website. So guys, this website provides you with test series, video lectures and books. So if we go to the test series section and let us say that we go to the GATE exam, and in the GATE exam I am choosing GATE test series for civil engineering. So here you can see that the test series like CREATIAX test series, ACE Academy test series, Made Easy test series and all other test series are available on the same window. So guys, what you can do is, for example, a test series is costing you 1000 rupees, then by using your Buy Test Series wallet amount, that is 250 rupees, that you will be getting as soon as you register your Facebook or Google account on Buy Test Series. So after applying those 250 rupees, you will just have to pay around 750 rupees for that test series, and moreover, by applying the code DIS10, you can get 10% more discount, so that the test series which was costing you around 1000 rupees while you are buying it from the official website of coaching center will now cost you only around 650 rupees to 700 rupees. So guys, in this way you can save your money in buying test series. Guys, moreover, when you buy each test series, then you get a cashback of 60 rupees in your Buy Test Series wallet, which you can use in buying next test series. Guys, the other things which this website provides is video lectures of all the branches and the books of all the branches. Guys, moreover, in this website you can search according to the brand's name. So for example, I am trying to search for Made Easy brand name, that is this one. So here all the things related to Made Easy are available to me at a single place. So from here I can buy anything which is provided by Made Easy publication from the single platform with maximum discount. Guys, moreover, apart from these discounts, this website also provides many other discount codes from time to time. For example, you can see here that there is a code shown here. So it is saying that you will get a flat rupees 300 off on buying IES test series of Made Easy publication. Moreover, this website is also providing you a 40% discount on all MBA test series. So guys, I will suggest you that rather than going to the official websites of any coaching center, you must buy your test series or video lectures or books from this website at a cheaper and a discounted price. Guys, do hit the like button and do subscribe the GATE Hunt and press the bell icon to receive notifications on latest jobs updates, GATE talks and video lectures on GATE and IES.